Here we go. Gotta get our next load of feed. Put the ATV to work. Oh, turkeys. Y'all gonna be Thanksgiving dinner buddies. Yeah, it's coming. All right. Let's see. See if we get another box of goat feed here. We sure do. Here it is. You ready? I'll get it set up for you. All right, we ready. Watch out, Chan. Okay, go ahead. You're good. Now you go forward. You gotta teach them young. Future farmers of America. Just like I was taught young in the tobacco farm. After doing that as a kid, everything's easy. Go up, get all the way to the front there. I'll unload it for you. You done? Mm-hmm. All right, good job, bud. Can I get a high five? Yeah, woo, that's hard, man. You're strong.